Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about dropshipping on eBay from Argos, one of my favourite retailers, so let's dive in. So here we are on the Argos website. Now one of the main things I want to talk about is delivery times with Argos, because they do something that not many other retailers do, and I think it is awesome. Now with most Argos items they do charge £3.95 for shipping. So always remember, if you're selling Argos items on eBay, just to factor in the shipping into the price cost and then add your percentage on top of that. Now there is one item that I do sell and it is only £9.99 on Argos. I sell it for just under 20 quid and it is actually free shipping. So I think items roughly £10, maybe under as well, are free shipping, and anything else over that is £3.95. So just remember that. But one thing that I do like about Argos is this. Where is it? This is one of them, fast track, but this is it. Choose your time and date. So they deliver 7 days a week with a choice of 4 time slots. Now you can place your order online or in store. I don't know why I just said that bit as well. Lols. But let's scroll to here. So you can choose a good time which you think would be better for your customer. So you can choose in between 7 AM and 10 AM, 10 AM, 1 PM, 2 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM and 10 PM. And you can also choose what day. So you can get next day or the day after next or the day after that, or even same day delivery. And because there's the option of same day delivery, this is what I normally send my items as. Now my thought process behind this is, if I'm drop shipping items and the customer can clearly see that it's come from Argos, because the Argos packaging is branded with Argos, well, most of the time, as far as I'm aware. But if I ordered an item from eBay and it come in Argos packaging, but I got that item on the same day that I ordered it, then personally I wouldn't really give a shit. I wouldn't care where it came from. I'd just be shocked that I ordered it and then I had it, the item, on the same day. Now that's just my thought process. This is why I just like to do same day delivery most of the time. Not all the time, just most of the time. It doesn't cost me any extra to do that. I'm paying for £3.95 shipping anyway. So I think the customer would just be happier receiving the item that they ordered on the same day. And I just reckon, well, even some of my feedback, my items from Argos, they've all stated how fast the delivery was. Now, if you want to learn more about using Argos as a supplier for your dropshipping business, then go through and watch the playlist up here in the right hand corner. Now, one thing to keep in mind, they do have most of the time in-house tracking, which means they do not use other couriers most of the time for their deliveries. Now with me, I can't remember what items I was selling, but there's been a few times where they have used a third-party courier and I was able to get a tracking number and just plug that into eBay. But just remember, normally they don't. It is like Amazon, they have in-house tracking. But nevertheless, Argos is one of my favourite suppliers to use for eBay dropshipping at the minute. They've got a big range of products that you can sell, and I've shown you guys a method on how to find Argos good selling, hot item selling, that came out wrong, hot selling items that Argos are selling on eBay. I've shown you this method in the past, so if you go through up here and watch the videos, you'll be able to learn the method and find hot selling products in a matter of minutes. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.